Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Bybit to your laptop or PC. So they don't have an official app, but there is a workaround using Google Chrome. So first, of course, install Google Chrome and launch it. Now, go to bybit.com. Now on the top right corner of your screen, beside your user icon profile, there will be 3 vertical dots. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and find for Cast, Saved, and Share. Once you hover on it, an additional context menu will appear, and find for Install Page as App. So basically, it will just make an app dedicated for Bybit. So click on it. A menu will appear. Click Install. And basically that's it. You have an app dedicated only for Bybit.